Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to protect the workbook. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data. I want to protect this workbook. What do you mean protect the workbook? You can see here. Keep others from making the structural changes to your workbook, such as moving, deleting, or adding the sheets. Okay, when you see here the on sheet, click the right click of the mouse button. These all options are invisible because this workbook is already protected with the password. Okay, I just want to click here, just enter my password and click the OK button. You can see here the all option is visible. You can insert, delete, rename, move, copy. Before that this option is invisible because workbook is protected. I want to again the protect the workbook. Just click on the protect workbook, just enter password, click the OK, re-enter your password, click the OK, and you can see here the all option is invisible. The other user can't insert your sheet, delete, rename, and move your sheet. Okay, that's it. Thank you.